And he's live. Oh my goodness. I just realized that the music is distracting me. I just realized that my outlay is Pokemon Moon, but the game actually is Pokemon Sun. I'm gonna lower the volume because it's very distracting. Medna is here! She's here to collect her Pokemon. Good on you. Good for you. I think the party hasn't started yet though. I don't think we're gonna have... I don't know, I wonder if we're gonna have a lot of people or not. I mean, if it's a success, I'll keep doing these, but if nobody's gonna show up... My streams have been quiet lately, so if it doesn't work out... Ah well. Ah well. Okay, so, guess what? I still haven't finished this game yet. I made it this far? Ah yeah, this moo moo cow. She's gonna hear my... You're gonna give me your... Yeah, that's right. You're gonna give me the Pokemon. Let me show you my team, my current team right now. So I have a Salazzle. Summary. Is it gonna be on the big screen? Is it gonna be on the big screen? No, it's on the small screen. So I have a Salazzle. I shouldn't show you my Pokemon actually. In case somebody wants to battle. Hey, Flare! Hello! I shouldn't show my Pokemon, sorry. Alright. So, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna start with Trico. I'm gonna start giving away Trico. Is he gonna battle me? No. So, I'm getting distracted now by the game because I still haven't finished this game. So anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna start with Trico, and I think we should go for Pikipeks. Yeah, if he has Pikipeks, you can deposit Pikipeks, and I will exchange every Pikipek that I find on GTS. I'll exchange every. My sis can join us. No problem. You can just take one from for her. You can take Pokemon for her. So yes, Pikipeks in return for Trico. That's how we're gonna start. And I'm gonna get things ready actually. I hope I can go, because last time I tried, remember, it was an epic fail. But I tested this already. So it should be fine now. And I backed up my save, so in case they blacklist me or they ban me or something, I can restore my save. So that shouldn't be a problem. So, trade. And we're gonna go with the GTS. Oh, I just realized that the screen is not properly. That's gonna bother me. Let's fix that. Bottom screen. Let's fix that. Alright, maybe like that. That's much better. I'm sorry, because it bothers me. So, GTS. I was thinking of setting this automatic, like it will do the whole thing for me, so I don't have to do anything. So, would you like to continue? Yes. Because I've seen streams like that, where basically what they do is... This is still connecting, yeah? Okay. What they do, they just leave it running, and it automatically trades. But I think that lacks the personal touch, I think. Checking the data. A global mission is happening right now, I don't care. Alrighty then. So I'm gonna start looking for Pikipek, so everybody that has a Pikipek. So, everybody that has a Pikipek is gonna get a shiny Trico. I'm gonna start from that one. Alright. They need to be asking for a Trico, of course. So I'm gonna seek. That's how it goes, yeah? I haven't done this in a while. I'm gonna look for a Pikipek. Oh wow. There's Pikipek. And I totally forgot how to Pokemon any person wants. Yeah, let's just say they want Pokemon you have. Okay, filter with these conditions. So that's how it's done. No result was found. Alright. So, nobody wants Trico for a Peaky Peck. Peaky Peck or Picky Peck? I cannot say anything right. But in the meantime, I can show you guys what I have. Can I? Can I show you once I've entered GTS? I don't think so. No, I'm just gonna deposit actually. I'm just gonna deposit one right away. Deposit Pokemon. I can do that. I forgot. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I want to show you what I have, and these are all gonna go away. I mean, assuming people want them. If people want them, they're gonna get them. That's how it goes. So hold on. Hold on. Look how many I made for everybody. So it's I have Tricos, and I have oops. Oh, sorry. I have Torchics, and I have Mudkibs. Look how many I have. I don't want them. And then I have a bunch of Mewtwo's. No, these are just regular Mewtwo's actually. And then I have Turtwigs. These are for next streams, obviously. And I have Chimchar. Look how cute! I haven't raised a Chimchar in ages. I think it's long overdue. And then I have Piplup. Oh, cute! Then I have Snivy. And Oshawott. Is that shiny? Yes, it is. I can barely tell though. And I have Tepig. Man, these Pokemon really take me back. And Chespin. These are from the X and Y game. And Fennekin. And Froakie. And then moving on to this generation. I have Rowlet. I have Litten. I'm gonna raise a white Litten one of these days because it's adorable. And Poplio. You can't tell he's shiny. And then I generated a bunch of after I'm done distributing starters, hopefully, assuming everything goes well. After distributing my starters, I'm gonna go with legendaries. So I have Mewtwo's. And that's mine. That's mine. Nobody's gonna have it. That's mine. I just got that one. And hold on, I thought I had more. Oh no, I don't. No, because they turned out to be buggy. I mean, not legit. You need to generate them properly so they look legit, and they didn't look legit. Something was wrong with them, so I deleted them. And now I realize that you can still see my Pokemon. Womp womp womp. So I was gonna deposit one. I got carried away talking. So deposit. I want Pikipeks. Alright. So there's one up for grabs. Anybody can have it. No, 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 no. Don't quit. Oh, man. I quit by mistake. Oops. Oh, traded already. Haha. Somebody took it. Wow, I just realized my chat froze. What the heck? I didn't realize so many people came in. Oh my goodness. I just realized now. Oh my goodness. Oh man, can you put the name of the Pokemon that you are trading? Like a Pokemon for this? Up there, it says deposit, Pikipek. Can you see that? Please, can you save me one of each? First come, first serve, Joe. Come on, come on. I've been waiting for this forever. I'm not home right now, and I don't have my DS. Also, can you please respond to the chat? Doesn't sound. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I didn't notice chat. I just refreshed and I realized it froze for me. Beaver, hello, 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 hello. Vlog, can you respond to my question in the chat? And I'm sorry, I'm gonna catch up with the chat first. Medna, Vloggy, I need to go take out the trash. Take out the trash. Take your time. Hoi there. I said hello to Timothy. I just want to make sure I don't miss anyone. Sakura's here. Hello, Sakura. I'm sorry, I just didn't realize my chat was frozen. All right. I want to test the chat again because okay, no, it's working. It's working. Joe Banger is here as well, so I'm gonna say hello to Joe. I'm gonna say hello to Joe. Come on, Joe. There's another Joe now. There's two Joes now. All right. So guys, you know what to do. Deposit Pikipeks and ask for Trico. I'm gonna start giving away Tricos for Pikipeks. Do that now. All right. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Seek. I'm gonna seek. I should deposit another one actually right away. Let's just deposit another one. That was going away. As soon as I get rid of all the Tricos, I'm moving on to Torchic, okay? So which Pokemon do I want? Pikipek. Here we go. Up there, Joe. It says up there. Pikipek. Sakura. How are you, Sakura? Welcome back, Midna. Welcome back. I'm really tired. I really don't have the energy to do this today, but I'm doing it for you guys, honestly, not for me, honestly. So, I'm gonna search for some Pikipeks. All the Pikipeks on GTS that would like a Trico are gonna get a shiny one right now. Right now. Search with these conditions. Alright, let's go. No result. Nobody wants. Okay, I'm a bit scared from you. Why? Well, you keep saying that. You've been saying that for a while now, Sakura. I don't understand. What you on about, Willis? Okay, nobody wants a Trico, I guess. Come on. They're up for grabs. You can have more than one if you want. Let's see if this one was taken. Maybe they took it already. Did they? Yes? No, came back. Come on, guys, don't make me shut the stream. It's coming back. Nobody wants it. I'm sorry if he's rejected. Rejected. I'm gonna send it back. Here we go again. I'm very tired, I'm very sleepy. But I said I would. I said I would distribute Chinese today. For everybody. Alright, seek. I'm gonna seek. Come on. No results was found. I will try again in a bit. Look at people. They want Zekrom, Reshiram, Articuno for their Pikipek. Oh, you. Should I give him a Mewtwo? sorry, but if I give a Mewtwo to this guy, for instance, I'd be encouraging, you know, the unfairness. I made a boo-boo. Let's try again. Someone got the Pokemon. That's good. That's good. That's good. But there's plenty of more. There's plenty more. Don't worry. No result was found with these conditions. Uh-oh. Alright, let me just check on the Trico. It says take back, but hopefully was traded. Here we go. Here it comes back. Piggyback! Woody. I like that. That's a good nickname. I'm gonna deposit another one right now. Here comes another. I don't like I don't pick Apex, but I have starters and a Formosa. I don't even know what that is. I don't know what Formosa is. I don't know much about Pokemon. I don't know much about history. Alright. I'm gonna search for Tricos. I'm gonna do that for Pikapex. Sorry. Search. So. Here we go. I keep finding nothing. I keep finding nothing. I don't know. Maybe the ones you're depositing are automatically being traded by the system. Let's see. Let's see if it's eased back already. Was traded. You see, somebody else took it as well. Let me guys know who's getting them. It would be interesting to know. Just to make sure that you guys are getting them, not some random people that are not even watching the stream. And then again, I don't really care, honestly. But I'd rather you guys have them. I'm gonna deposit another one. Formosa's an Ultra Beast. I still haven't finished the game. Shame on me. Doesn't say who the OT is, so I don't know. Deposit. Deposited another one. Here comes another. It's so hot today. It is so hot. As I was setting up for the stream, you know, preparing everything, you know, cables and the wires and whatever. Cables and wires. It's the same thing. But as I was setting up, I forgot the DS charger outside my room. And this is the only room I have air conditioning in, and as soon as I stepped out of the room, like, it's so hot! Beaver got it, that's good, awesome. I'm gonna keep searching for more, just in case people have deposited. Seriously? Nobody out there has a Pikipek that has a Pokemon that I want. You know what I mean. Alright, let's go. That's weird. Let's see if he came back. It's traded. It's trading slowly, but it appears that the system is automatically trading them instead of allowing me to look them up, which is fine by me. Toby! deposit another one. Here comes Bork. So let me try again. Let me seek for Pokemon. I'm looking for a Pikipek. Pikipek. Am I saying that right? Alright, so I'm searching for a Pikipek. Alright? And I'm gonna get a list of people wanting Pikipeks. There's the people that want Pikipeks. Like this guy. Alright, hold on. This guy wants a Mewtwo, and I have Mewtwo's. So if I search Pokemon you have, filter with these conditions. No result was found matching these conditions. I don't get it. Because if I exit, I'm pretty sure there's a guy here that wants a Mewtwo. Ah, 91 or higher. I don't have one that's 91 or higher. Okay. So that's pretty realistic, actually. 91 or higher. Everybody wants 91 or higher. Are you kidding me? Oh, you. Never mind. Go back. Somebody have Trico. Somebody took it, probably. Okay, so basically, Toby, what you do is deposit a Pikipek and ask for a Trico, and I'll give you a shiny one right now. Okay, somebody took it. Somebody took it. Here it comes. Oh, Midna got it. I'm happy for you. Now you need to get one for your sister. Come on. I'm gonna deposit another one. This is how it's going. Look, Toby, look. Depositing Trico. And I'm asking for Pikipek. Deposit. As simple as that. So anybody... Scalpers, am I right? Scalp away, guys. Scalp away. Because, I mean... You want me to deposit a Magikarp for a Pikipek? Lel. No, I don't want... No. I don't want Magikarps. I want Pikipeks. Give me Pikipeks and I'll give you Tricos. Seek Pokemon. I mean, let me just keep seeking anyway. Seeking? Pokemon called Seeking. This guy wants a Rayquaza for... You see... Just for the fun of it, I can easily give them what they want, but... No, I'd be encouraging this kind of crap. Did somebody take it? Let's see. Trade it. Yes, somebody took it. Good for you. Good for you. Take good care of it. What am I gonna do with all these Pikipeks? One of these days I'll stream making them. Ah, you got it. That's good, Midna. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna deposit another one. But you see, I gave away 6 already. 6 already have vanished. I've got tons more. Come on. Come on. They're all for you guys. Yes, that's what you should do, Joe. So hopefully, this one will be yours. Okay, seek. I'm gonna keep seeking. Seeking. I'm sorry. Nothing. It's weird that I can't find any. Let's see if somebody took it. Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Traded. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job. Pepek. Deposit. Let's do another one. Come on, Toby, let's give you one. Let's give you one of these. So you can brag about your shiny Trico when you play online. Like, look at my Trico. Eventually it will evolve. Your shiny Grovyle. No, Grovyle? What's the fully evolved version? What's his name? Sceptile. Oh my goodness, for a second I blanked. And then it will mega evolve. Do you think I'll find them like that, Beaver? I mean, if I couldn't filter them out, I don't know. Let me see. Let's give it a go. Search with these conditions. If I couldn't filter them. Entei, Mewtwo, Rayquaza, Zekrom, Groudon, Ho, Suicune, Articuno, Reshiram, Zekrom, Kyurem, Mewtwo, Yveltal, Aslef, Zekrom, and they're all 91 or higher. I can't even do anything. Yes, I will get to Mudkip, but I'm gonna do the Tricos first. No, we're not gonna find them like this. I don't think the filter is lying to me. I don't think the filter is lying to me. I'm gonna give it a go anyway. Let's give it a go. Just in case. Go catch a ton of Pikipeks. No, nothing. Okay. I want to keep doing these, but if these traded good. But if these streams aren't successful, you know, if these streams are not successful, I'm not gonna keep doing them. As much as I enjoy doing them, I don't know if you were here, you guys were here when I was showing them off. And that's all for you guys. Is something wrong with the stream? Shouldn't be. Is everything okay? Feedback. Time for feedback. That was it. Here comes another one. But if you're depositing, I think they're automatically being traded via the system. Because I'm seeking for people maybe have deposited other than being traded automatically. I don't know. Trying to be efficient, basically. Am I ready for the battle? Sure, Toby. Let's see. Let's keep giving these away first. If it quiets down, if everybody has their Tricos and whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna seek again real quick. Because I can keep seeking while that's doing the automatic trade, trying to be more efficient, but I cannot seem to find one. I can't seem to find any Pokemon with the requirements. I don't know. It's gone already? No results found, you see? So, I mean, the automatic thing is gonna have to keep going. Summary. And it's good that you tell me they're gone. So that I know that I can replace them. You know what we should do, Toby, and maybe let's finish the Tricos and then we do a battle. Okay, how about that? How about that? How about that? The thing is, I don't have my good team on me. I will have to switch the game. Alright, we'll find a way. Alright, So anyway, as I was saying earlier, I was thinking of, I spent a lot of time looking for, hold on. I spent a lot of time looking for ways to have this automated, like it automatically trades, automatically streams, and the stream works on its own, trades on its own, everything works on its own. I was gonna do something like that, But then I was like, if I do streams like that, it will lack the personal touch. Me talking to you guys and hanging out in chat, you know. Yeah! Digi Shadow just subscribed. Thank you so much. Step right up, come and grab your shiny tricos. Switch then. Yeah, probably. We'll probably do that. We'll probably do that. Did somebody take it? Somebody take it? Is it gone? I'm gonna seek. I'm gonna keep seeking in the meantime. Seeking. The alga. Oh, Moltres, Lugia. No. Summary of Trico. Let's see. Oh, Beaver got it. Okay, good. I seeked, but I couldn't find it, Joe. I couldn't find it. Iggypeck. I'm seeking, but I couldn't find anything. Let me look it up. Thank you, Joe Banger, for subscribing. Let me look it up. Let me just seek right now. Seek. Actually, let's deposit. Let's be efficient. I'm gonna deposit one right away. Deposit. Yeah, we need to do the trade, you and me, Midna. How are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do that? No, if you deposit it, keep it there. Don't redeposit, because otherwise, you know, it comes out, and then I'll search it when it's out, and then, you know what I mean? Just leave it there if you deposit it, don't worry. I'm gonna seek right now, look. Search seeking for a picky pack. I'll add you as a friend. But no, okay. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Look, because you can't see it. You can't see it because it's actually... No, don't redeposit. No, don't do that. Okay, hold on. I want to show you guys, because maybe you don't believe me. Look, it says no result found. You see? No result. Can you see that? I don't know. Let me try again. Let me try again. But no, I'm playing with a different copy now. I'm playing on Sun right now, actually. So yeah. Alright, let's just check whether this one's been taken as well. Summary of Trico. Did somebody take it? Traded. Good. I don't need to search. I'm searching for any level, so it doesn't really matter between 1 or 10. I'm searching for any level. So it should make a difference. Pepek. Those nicknames. I'm gonna deposit another one. We're moving fast, eh guys? We're moving fast. Look, that's like 12 already. In the meantime, again, I'll search. I'll seek. So I'm gonna have to re-add you, because... because this is a different game that I'm playing with. Do you have Discord? I do actually have Discord. We need to share that. Let me just seek a Pokemon real quick. Searching. Let's try again. I do have Discord actually, and Discord is a nice place where you can actually, well, where I can actually schedule my events and stuff. So I think if you want to know exactly when I'm gonna stream and all that stuff, copy. I'm gonna post it soon. Hold on. Come on, stupid Discord. Come on, you. Okay. Okay. It's coming. Sakura dozed off. What time is it for you, Sakura? What? Around... It's around 6 PM for you, I think. Something like that. No, it's okay. I just posted it. There it is. So, I'm gonna filter one more time. I'm gonna search and filter one more time. Do not... Alright, I'm gonna refresh. Hold on. So, search with these conditions. I'm searching a fresh new search. And no, there's nothing. Hold on. Let's try something else. 6:35, and you're dozing off? You're at work and you're dozing off? What? Shame on you. I just finished work and I'm so tired right now. Alright, summary of Chico. Maybe somebody took it. Let's see. Take back. I don't think. Trade it. Somebody took it. Was it you, perhaps, Joe Banger? Check. So am I. I'm very tired. Papek. Papek. Vlogabadi, we can do trading, and I have my sister too, because I am going... We can... Hold on. We can do the trading, and I can have my sister too. Yeah, sure. As many as you want, don't worry. I'm gonna deposit another one. First come, first served. My picky pack is level 2 and in-game name is Horn. Alright. Let's deposit this. How is it that I cannot find it then? I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try something for Joe. After this one though. Let me send this one away. And I'll try something for Joe. I will need it again, Midna, yes. I'm gonna need it again because... Because this is a fresh new copy. Let me just get rid of all the tricos first, alright? I'm gonna get rid of all the tricos. Alright? And as soon as I'm done with tricos, we'll have a battle, okay? Toby, I hope you don't mind, but I'm gonna have my battle with Midna first because Midna's been asking me for... I think months. So we're gonna go with, I'm gonna go with Midna first. I hope you don't mind. Let me search for PK Pack. Level 1 to 10. Search. So I'll go. Hold on. This one wants a Lugia, Yveltal, Dialga. No, nothing. Let me just filter. Nothing. Are you sure you're asking for a Trico? You want to battle as well, Beaver? Okay, we'll get to that too. But I wanna keep my promise of shiny giveaway today, so I'll give away the shinies first, and then we'll get to that. Let's see if somebody took the Trico. Came back. Nobody took it. That's not good. That's not good. That means Joe's. Oh no! Power button to end the game. A communication error has occurred. What? Oh no! No. No. Oh. That's not good. That's not good. Last time that happened, I got banned. But I know a way how to reverse it. It's not a piece of cake. Let's see, hold on. I hope it's not the case, because I really don't feel like... Come on. Seriously? Let's try again. I may have gotten a ban, yes, but it's fine, I can reverse it. But that's not fair, I'm just depositing Pokemon. What the heck? We'll see. Let's see. Let's see if I got a ban. I have a feeling I got a ban. Oh my goodness. If I got a ban, I'm gonna be angry. I'm gonna be very salty. I can reverse it, it's fine, but it's not a piece of cake. It's quite... let's see. Oh, there it is. You can't. Oh, seriously. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oops. My mic, I'm sorry if it made the noise. Oh no. Can I battle perhaps? Link battle. Single battle. Battle I can. Oh, I can battle, but I cannot. Really? So I can battle, but I cannot. That's weird. How about we have a battle first? Let's have a battle with Midna. Let's have a battle with Midna. I guess. How do I add people? Like this? Oh wait, to add people I have to add it from the... Nice job, Loggy. Let me see. To add the people, I think I have to add them from the actual... From the... I was gonna say. From the... thing, yes? Like this. Oh, okay, so I think... Oh, okay. They have been registered to my... Alright, they've already been registered. They're registered to my DS. That's good. That's funky. Alright, alright. I need to add Toby while I'm here then. Toby, give me your friend code, please. Right now. I need to give you mine, actually, yes. There's mine. There's mine. Pause the stream. Toby, pause the stream. Toby, pause the stream right there. And take my friend code. There it is. In the meantime, give me yours. I'm showing you mine. Now show me yours. Time's up. Come on. Internet. I knew I had you. Yes, I thought the friend codes are linked with the copy of the game. But no, they're linked to the DS, so that's good. Tim will give it to you. Okay, 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 okay. My goodness, I think it's a ban. I think that's how they do it. They kick you out, so they cause an interruption. And the communication, a communication interruption. They are the ones that cause it, and then because of that, you get kicked basically, and you get banned. I think that's what happened. I don't know. That's what I think. Okay, if the friend code's not coming now, maybe I can just go ahead and battle Midna then. Shall we do that? Oh, there it is. That's beavers actually. Oh, I need to add beaver as well actually, yeah. Let's do that real quick. Register friend, internet. So, the code is 4038 7444 5626. I'm gonna save you as Beaver. That might change, though, once I add you. Okay, so let's go ahead and battle Midna. Midna, are you ready? Are you ready, Midna? We're gonna do this. Hold on, I need to check my team. I don't think I have to check my team actually, but let's just make sure. Okay, I think I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, let's go. Midna, are you ready? Midna, are you ready? We're gonna have a... How about a double battle? Let's have a double battle. Updated. So, should Midna be here? I don't get how this works. I'm always confused how this works. I cannot have a link trade or trade GTS because previous things are they're gonna try to mess me up. So we're gonna have a double battle, okay? We have a double battle. But it's not working. Updated. Where is everybody? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh my goodness, how noobish of me. Well, I didn't think... Well, actually, I just assumed I was already connected to the internet, but no, I have to connect manually. That's why, sorry. Thank you, Beaver! I just assumed that the game is already connected to the internet, that's why. I may have to end the stream. I cannot keep doing the shinies. So, let's do the battle now. I'm gonna do a double battle, okay? Alright, we're gonna start with Midna. Yes. I hope she's there. Midna, wake up. Yeah, accept it. Alright. Here it comes. Alright, here it comes. I'll decide myself. She just has to accept my rules. Alright. Please battle rules, blah blah blah. So, normal rules. Would you like to set normal? Yes, confirm. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna disable the second screen because I don't want her to see which attacks I'm gonna be using now. Alright, does that make sense? Now here we go. Let the battle begin! Exactly, no stream sniping. Exactly, that's why I disabled the... I disabled the second screen so she doesn't see the attacks. I know she's not gonna cheat, but still. Better safe than sorry. Oh man, I'm bummed out because of the ban. I wonder if it's gonna stay like that. I don't think so. I mean, I think I'll fix it. But there's always the possibility that I'll never fix it. But it should be okay. It should be okay. Midna, are you sleeping? I need some sleeping. You know what we should do actually? No, Tim, they say sometimes they last 12 hours, sometimes they say they last 24 hours. They said the maximum they can take, the maximum a ban is like, it's about like 4 days. But last time I got a ban, it lasted about a week. I'm like, this is definitely permanent. And then I just reversed. Midnight, you're sleeping. I'm gonna give you another minute. Cause Toby's next. Yeah, it was like a week, and I was worried. Like, you know what? After a week, I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and restore my backup. And I restored the backup, and everything was fine again. But yeah. So even before the stream just started, now I took a backup just in case, because I don't trust it. And it's a good thing I did that. Midna. Done. Finally. Finally. But it's gonna be worth the wait. This is gonna be worth it, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna choose my team now. I just realized my Pokemon are mostly babies. Alright, here we go. Here we go! Look at us! Look how awesome we are! I love having sunglasses in the game. I love the music. Hey Toby, you should be on my side.
Venusaur! Alakazam!
Oh, nice. They look tough. I'm deciding, bear with me. I'm planning my attacks. Here we go! Here we go!
Alakazam! Alakazam!
Oh, nice! My bad. I'm trying to think. Let's go. No, I'm not falling asleep now. It's a very strong move. Alright, so go! Ooh, nice. Oh, oh, look at that! Look at that! She's thinking her next Pokemon. Beware. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That is a very strong Pokemon, I think. Alright, go! We got this.
Oh, look at something!
Nice! That's what I'm talking about! My strategy. That is my strategy. That is my strategy. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Oh, look at something!
Oh, poor Lakazan. Okay, no problem. No problem. We got this. So close. You know what? I'm gonna stick with the theme of poison. Go! Alright, let's go. Overkill, I know. I know it's an overkill. Toby's studying my technique, huh?
Venusaur!
That's a good move. Wow! Let's try something else, Yogi Bear. We're gonna try something with Yogi Bear. Oh, nice. So. I'm trying to think whether... Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Let's go. That's my boy. My girl, actually. That's my girl. Okay. 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 Ooh! He's strong. Hoop! Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for the attack? Ooh, nice. All right. All right. All right. You got that win. All right, we're good. Now this is where I might start failing. This is where I might start failing. Things might go wrong now from here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's go. You see, he's still not evolved. Still a baby. Still a baby. And that's where I might start failing. We'll see. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I might fail. Alright, that's good. That's good. I've toxified all her Pokemon. All of them. That's okay. That's okay. At least they're both toxicified. And I'm happy with that. Ouch! The thing is, my Pokemon are still babies because I still haven't fully trained them. That's my problem. That is my problem. Alright. I'm sorry, but another baby Pokemon. Still again, not fully trained. I'm sorry. It's okay. That's weird. Alright, that's how we're gonna roll. Let's go. Alright. Whoa, that move. I've never seen that before. Okay, Pikachu. Oh. Good job. Did I win? Is it over? Is that it? Are there any more? I'm saving the best for last, guys. Here it comes. V4! Yes, I should rename the stream, actually, yes. I'm gonna rename the stream, bear with me. I'm gonna rename the stream, hold on. Hold on. Oh, come on, computer. Alright, save changes. I had to, sorry. Let's go! Here we go. Here we go. Alright, this is all I have. Oh no! Uh-oh. 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 Joe, I've had a problem. I think I got banned. I'm gonna have to continue the trading tomorrow. And when I say tomorrow, in about, like, I don't know. I'll give you the exact hour. Hold on. Because right now I'm stuck. Alright, I think she's gonna defeat me. No, Joe, you didn't miss anything, don't worry. Alright, we can do this. I think we can still do this. I'm gonna try this move. I'm gonna try this move, even though I know it's not very effective, but I'm gonna try to see how much damage it does. Yes! That's what I was going for! It worked! Alright. Good. Alright. I need to keep this going though. Come on. It's gonna be almost a tie. No, that's not good. Oh man. Gonna go again, come on. This is almost a tie. If I don't die now, I think I won. I think I won. I think I won. I think I got this. I think I won. Let's see. I think I won. I think I win this one. Hold on. No! No! I missed. Wait, I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm still going. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? No! That was epic. I told you it's gonna be almost a tie. That was fantastic. GG, Midna. Oh my goodness. You actually scared me. You actually scared me. Alright. Wow. Alright, V4. I was battling Midna actually. I was battling Midna. Her. Well done. That was impressive. And keep in mind, I had 2 baby Pokemon. A Totodile and a Pikachu. Alright? So, yeah. You wanna save video of this battle? I don't think I need to. Okay. Wow. Midna, here's what we're gonna do. Since I cannot trade, let's just confirm that I cannot trade. Let's just confirm that I'm done training for today. Trading, not training. It was really close. It was impressive. You put up a good fight. You scared me. So let's try again. Let's see if the trading works now. You see? You see it's not allowing me to trade. Look, I want to show you guys. Look at that. You cannot link. The game disconnected me on purpose. And now, here's what I'll do. I'll restore the save tomorrow. And right now it's 1 AM my time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In about 9 hours, guys, make note. 9 hours from now, I'm gonna be back online again on stream. And I'm gonna start giving away again. I'm gonna continue where I left off with the shinies. I promise shinies, I will deliver shinies. 9 hours from now. Alright, 9 hours from now, I will restore the save. Can I try to send request? I would love to battle you again, Midna, but I promise Toby. Toby is next now. Toby is next. Let me just make sure that he's been added. Hold on. Notifications. What is that? I don't know. Anyway, so 9 hours from now I'm gonna be back again with the stream and I'm gonna continue where I left off. That's 4 AM your time. Ouch. Ouch. Behavior has been registered. And do I have any requests? I don't know who this is, but Toby, do I have you? Or it's I don't seem to have you though. I need to add you, no? How does it work? Are you gonna send me? Okay, but yeah, sure. 9 hours from now. 9 hours from now I'm gonna come back online and I'm gonna continue where I left off. I'm sorry. It might happen again tomorrow. I might get banned again tomorrow. I got banned this evening. I will restore the save. That's okay. I'll check Discord. Okay, hold on. Hold on a second. Where's my Discord? Hold on a second. Because... Ah, Toby. Alright, there it is. I see it now. Okay. Bear with me, guys. We're gonna battle Mr. Toby. Alright. Yeah, I found it. I'm adding it now. Alright, it says it's been added. So we're good. I think we're good. So we're gonna continue the game. I want to start a new trend as well. I want to start a new thing. We have battles, and those who actually beat me, I'll give them some sort of reward. I don't know. We'll see what, but yeah. Get him, Toby. V4 wants to see me lose. And V4's getting scared now. She realizes how powerful I am. Even with baby Pokemon. I can crush anything! Hey, Vlog is wearing pants. So no, he's not here, actually. You got it wrong. These are my ties. Those are my ties, my bear ties. Alright, so, battle. Oh, hang on, I need to connect to the internet again, do I? Here we go again. Okay, here we go. So I'll restore the save first thing tomorrow morning. A kiss for the winner. So I'll restore my save tomorrow morning, and I'll come back again with these shinies. I want to do this. I have to add it later, Timothy. It's better if you send it to me. Hey, Jason, thank you for subscribing. Send it to me on Discord, because here it's gonna go all the way up, and I'm gonna lose it. So send it to me via Discord, and I'll add you afterwards, perhaps. All right, so switch to internet, blah blah blah. I should have switched teams, so Toby will be caught by surprise. I should have done that, because there's a good chance he's gonna trash me now. Using hack Pokemon, you're right, I'm not using hack Pokemon. Well, I mean, strictly speaking, only the fact that they're shiny, that's the only thing. Alright, so, is inviting you to link trade? No, I don't want to link trade, what the heck. So, link battle, and it's gonna be a double battle again, alright. Tick ties. Alright, so. Where are you? I don't see you. I don't see you. Where are you, Toby? Toby! Lel! Bork! Come on, Toby. I should have switched my team, huh? To catch you by surprise. I should have done that. But anyway, so there's a good chance you might win now. Come on. Come on. It's David in the game. Alright, so where's David? I still don't see you though. Is this you? Did you accept my... Do you have to accept my friend request or something? Let me just make sure it has been added. I don't know. Toby. Yeah, he's online. Okay, so should be fine. Jason, I would love to add you, but it's better if you send that to my Discord, so I'll add you on my Discord, because it's gonna scroll up and I'm not gonna see it. Oh man, it went offline again? Seriously? Wow, this game. I need to go online again. Maybe connected to the internet. Like it wasn't connected to the internet already, come on. The first thing that the game asks me when I turn it on. Like, there's a new update available. I imagine Toby's team is full of dogs. Full of Borks. What just happened? What the? No. No! No! What you do, game? You're not gonna see me lose. It's impossible. It's impossible. So I have two DSs. I have a 2DS and a 3DS. The one I used to stream from. Oh man, what's going on? What's going on? Why is this happening? What the heck? What the lel? What's going on? Did I get a good ban? Did I get banned? That doesn't make sense though. I can't really trade, huh? Nothing. This is weird, huh? This is weird. I'm not enjoying this right now. Let's try again. Right, now I'm on. Okay. Stupid games. Yeah, that was gonna be my next option. But it's working now. Alright, so let's go. Sit tight, V4. It's happening. It's happening. I think. I don't see David though. Where's David? Can you see me online? I no see you. Okay, can you just send me the request yourself then if you see me? Because I cannot see you for some reason. Can you just go ahead and send me the invitation yourself then? I don't see you at all. No, there's nothing in the VIP list either. I can't send, I don't know why. Let me just double check that. Oh, you can't. Okay. That's weird. I can speak to the other people. Look. Let me try again. Let me just get out and come back. Okay, I think something's coming in because the light is flashing on my screen now. For some reason. Hold on. Does it mean anything? Yes, I see you now. Okay. Alright. The light started flashing on my DS. Alright, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening! I'm gonna battle Toby. It's happening. You weren't connected. There you go. You booblet.
For this, I'm going to trash you.
And V4's just gonna sit there and watch. Once again, I'm gonna disable the second screen, so we prevent. I'm gonna disable the second screen now. Bye, second screen. Boom. Let the battle begin. You see? You see? Alright, so, normal rules, I suppose. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Choosing our team. You better win, Toby. Let's go. So. You have a very well-balanced team, huh? I like that. Let's do this. Here it goes.
Vloggy versus Toby!
Shut up, V4. The only thing I did is I made them shiny. Oh, that red Gyarados, that looks golden. Big red, love it. Here we go. You have to do this. I have to do this right away. No choice. Let's go. Whoops, my bad. I made the first mistake. That was my first mistake. I made my first mistake. Ah. That was supposed to be a toxic. I made a mistake.
Venusaur!
You have sturdy or something like that? Yes, I knew that. That's sturdy. Ah, that's sturdy. Stealth rock? Nice, okay. Okay, well played, well played. Alright. Alright. You're good. That was supposed to be toxic though, the first attack. Boom. That's not a lot of damage anyway. Alright. I have a chance to redeem myself. Oh no! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Venusaur!
Hey Dasp, welcome. Sorry, I didn't notice you there. Sorry. Boom. Yeah, what about him? I kept my eyes on him. What? Oh, this is Toby. Now I see Toby. Look at Toby. Alright. Let's keep this going. Alright, let's do this. I have an idea. Let's do this. I'm not so sure. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try. I'm not so sure about this. I'm scared of both of them actually. I'm scared of both of these Pokemon. We'll see. They're both good Pokemon. Ooh.
Venusaur!
You got a shiny Totodile, nice! Yes, yes, yes! Yes. I was giving away shinies today, Dasp, but I got banned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna restore the save tomorrow, and I'll come back tomorrow again, and I'll keep giving away shinies. I'm giving the 3 at the bottom left that you can see on screen. Alright, let's continue. Here we go. No! No, you ruined my plan.
I'll get you next time, Gadget.
Okay. GG, that's 2 of my Pokemon. Okay, fair enough. It's okay. We're still good. These guys are next.
Oh, look at some!
Ah, those stones. Ah, that stealth rock. That's not good. But that's okay. Let's use the fastest now. Let's use the fastest Pokemon between these four. I'm curious. Alakazam is the fastest. Wow.
Oh, look at some!
Yes! Ouch! No! Critical, my goodness. Good. Good for you. GG. Nice. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're still good. We're still good. We're still good. I saved the last for the best. The best for the last, sorry. Here we go. Just waiting for Toby to choose his last Pokemon. I think he's got 2 left, actually. Yeah, I think he's got 2 left. Here we go. Yes! 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 And yes! Oh, type disadvantage! Type disadvantage for the win. Alright, here we go. I should be the fastest here. Let's see. No effect! I forgot! Swampert is... No! I forgot Swampert is resistant to electric attacks. I think I'm about to make a stupidity. I think I just made a stupidity, but... Oh no. No! Nice. Oh, strong. Yes, burn!
Burn, sucker!
Yeah, it doesn't affect. I tried. I wanted to try. Ah, oh, that rock slide. GG, man. Oh, man. GG. Well done, Toby. Well done, Toby. Well done. Hats off to you. I bow. But you know what? You know what? You know what? It's because you knew what Pokemon I had. That's what it is. That's what it is. You knew what Pokemon I had. I would love to battle you, but with a surprise team that you don't know what I have. Hey, Miguel. We don't. The only shinies that I'm giving away today are the ones at the top. Not today, actually, because I got banned. But I will restore the save tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna continue distributing those 3 that you can see on screen. Oh, I saved it. I would love to battle you again with a surprise team. Floggy, change your team for me. Okay. I am gonna change my team, actually, yes. Can I change yes. Hey, Derpirids, welcome. If you are here for the shinies, it's gonna be... Thank you for subscribing. If you would like shinies, I'm gonna be giving them away in about 9 hours tomorrow. Well, tomorrow for me. Well, it's actually already tomorrow here. So yeah, in about 9 hours, I'm gonna come back online and I'm gonna distribute the shinies that you see on screen. All right? I do accept it. I do accept my loss, V4. But he knew what team I had. He knew what team I had. That's why. I still can't trade. Look, I'm gonna show you the screen again. Boom. Banned. Like that. Like that. I would like a rematch, Toby. I would like a rematch. But with a surprise team. Alright, so I'm gonna quit. And I have to switch the game, though. Because my other team is on the other... It's on my other... It's on my other game. Alright, Beaver, do you mind if I have a rematch with Toby again, real quick? You mind if I have a rematch? Because if I battle you again, Beaver, and I battle Toby one more time, again, he's gonna see my team. Alright, Beaver doesn't mind. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna close. I'm gonna switch my team. I'm gonna switch my team for Toby. I'm gonna battle you now. I'm gonna trash you. The silence. Alright, hold on. Because I have one hard copy and I have the digital copy over here. Over here. No, I don't need to do it now. I hope it lets me. Battle, let's see. What, do you vote what? I don't get it. I don't know, let's take a vote. Toby or Vloggy? Vloggy, I also vote Vloggy. What's going on? What's going on? I don't get it. Vote for what? For president? It won't let me battle because I haven't updated the game. Seriously, that's why? Really? Is that it? It's not gonna let me? We're gonna find out. We're about to find out. Can I trade on this one? This one lets me trade, do you see? So the save is linked to the game, not to the console. So when I got banned on Pokemon Sun. Not my DS got banned, my Pokemon Sun game. Because you see, on the same console now I'm playing on Moon, and I can still trade again. But unfortunately my shiny Pokemon are on the other save. So I'm gonna restore the save first thing tomorrow morning. Again, today morning, because... And I'll continue distributing those Pokemon tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm gonna battle Toby again. Toby, make sure you're connected to the interwebs. I want to battle, I will use red team. Alright, Derby, not today though. You can... Oh crap, yeah, I do need to update it. I think Beaver was right. How long does it take to update? I think it takes a while, doesn't it? Oh man, it's gonna take a while to update. Does it take a while? Oh crap. Crap. I think it takes a while, eh? Wanna try real quick, see if it takes forever. It takes like a minute. Okay, we can wait a minute because True is here now. True! I just read your tweet, True, which said... you retweeted me. Oh, you're so nice. I just read your tweet where it said... real life. I hate real life. Don't you hate real life? So, update. We're gonna update real quick, alright? I'll ramble about something in the meantime. Complete download now. Alright, whatever. Hold on, I'm gonna disconnect the second screen just in case it shows my details or something, I don't know. Oh, okay. Even if it did, it was gonna show it was gonna show it on this first screen, whatever. And it doesn't even show anything actually. Alright, so I can switch the screen back on. So, True, you came in just in time, almost just in time actually. I just need to update real quick the game. I'm gonna be honest, True, here. Here's a streamer confession, an honest streamer confession. I don't like to see how many people are watching, because if there's not any people watching, it puts me down on my stream, and I'd be like, ugh, I'm talking to myself. I'm gonna go. And it's not about that. I want to enjoy playing the game. I don't want to focus on streaming. I just want to enjoy playing the game. And that's what I'm doing from now on. Like, if I feel like playing a game, I'm gonna stream it. So... now Toby thinks it might be Vloggy. There you go. Toby now thinks Vloggy might win. You see, because he doesn't know what Pokemon I'm gonna have. Earlier, he saw me fighting against Midna, and he could see my Pokemon, he could see my attacks. You know? You see? And when I battled him, he knew my strategy already, you know? So that... nah. It's true. Yeah, I understand, true. Alright, we're almost there. It's updating. It's updating.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
Alright. I think I'm gonna defeat you this time. I'm very confident with this team. This team is fully trained. The one I battled you with. I had a baby Pikachu. I had a baby Totodile. So that wasn't a complete team yet. This is.
Get ready.
Alright, here we go. Update data was successful. Check data manager. What? Alright, here we go. Should be fine now. Change your team too, Toby. Yeah, I suggest you change your team too. V4 is right. V4 wants to see me lose again. But I'm glad that the ban is only on the copy of the game, not on the DS. So I can easily reverse it. True, you should totally get Pokemon. It would be awesome to battle you. Even V4. I want to crush V4. Alright, so. Again, let me just double check that I can still... yeah, I can. Good. Alright, so. I need to connect to the internet. Go online, Toba. Go online, Toba. Go online. And after Toba, it's Beaver.
Never, Fluggy.
I don't know. Alright. We're online. We're online. You're about to see something epic here. You're about to see... Getting failed because, okay, I don't care about that. Don't worry. Now I'm playing actual Pokemon Moon. That deposit picky pack, I need to remove it because it's annoying me up there. There we go. Alright, so let's battle. Let's battle. Double battle, okay? And... updated. I don't see you though, huh? Where are you? Oh, there you are. I see you, I see you, I see you. I'm sending you the invite right now. You saw my Pokemon? I hope you didn't. Well, I mean, you're gonna see them anyway, but... Look at Derp, he's like, this stream is full of crap. Alright, here we go. I'll decide myself. And we're gonna do the standard rules. Confirm. Oh, this team is completely legit actually. Like before, it was a Charizard, the shiny Charizard, of course. I generated that shiny Charizard, but other than that, obviously I don't cheat. But this team is fully legit. This team is fully legit because this is way before I discovered Pokemon. What's it called? Pokéhacks. So yeah. Here we go. Oh! Disable the second screen. Disable the second screen. I don't want him to see what's going on. Alright, here we go. Actually, no. Wait, I don't know, actually. Hold on. I'm ready. Midna. Here we go. I changed clothes now, you see? I changed my outfit, because I'm a showman. I'm gonna put the volume up, because the music is awesome. In my headphones I put the volume up, not for the stream. Mock! That intimidate though. Alright. Alright, here we go. I'm starting with a bang. I'm starting with a bang. Let's go.
Mark. Snorlax.
What the heck? Communication with the other trainer was interrupted. What? I just got this notice on the screen. What just happened? No. No. Whose internet died? Is it mine? Is it yours? No. Hey, Reaper Zoroark. I will battle you, but not today. Because... First of all, I'm tired. And I promised a bunch of people. There's like a line. Alright, let's try again. You have to connect again now. No, it's still online. That's weird. Mine is still online. I don't know. It's stupid. Alright, let's go again. What can you do? Man, I spoiled my first 2 Pokemon. God dang it. Alright, let's try again. Let's speed this up. Let's speedrun this now. God dang it. These Nintendo consoles are so weak. So, what's the word? So broken, so cheap. Hahaha, V4. David accepted. I think it's only fair that we stick to the first 2 that we chose. You don't change your first 2 and I don't change my first 2. What do you think? Thank goodness I didn't start my first attacks, because you would have known how I was going to you would have known how to counter-react to those. So yeah, I'm glad none of my attacks actually showed before it disconnected, so here we go. Okay, did it disconnect already? Oh no. Alright, took forever. Took a while. Fight to the death! 2 men enter, 3 leave.
Mark. Snorlax.
I love your big red, huh? I really love your big red. I'm gonna get one of those in September when it comes out on the eShop.
Mark.
Here we go. Strategy. Go. Here we go. This is my strategy. Come on. Let's do this. Red. Okay, nice. Nice. But not good enough. Tanky, I know, right? I love this Pokemon. Now check out the tank, what it's gonna do. Jump up and down. Nice. Wow. I honestly thought that... nice. Well done. Well done. I should have called him Tanky, actually. I hate nicknaming my Pokemon, actually. Oh, critical. Nice! Yeah, baby! Oh, no! Ooh, Mach avoided the attack, of course. And Snorlax, sorry, I fainted. I should have rested. Okay. Alright, no problem. My strategy is still on plan right now, huh? So, yeah. Here we go. Next. Oh, nice. I hate Toby. Toby is strong. Welcome, Dada! Hello! The adventures of Dodo and Cloggy. I like that. Alright, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. My strategy is working so far. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is not good. Yes! No! He's got sturdy as well. Ouch. Well, good. That's not bad. Yes! Do you see my strategy now, Toby? Do you see my strategy now? True. Dada always asks me, when are you gonna stream with True again? He keeps asking me. You don't see my strategy yet. Alright. Do you see it now? Do you see it now? Do you see the strategy now? I love this strategy. Hey Justin, hello, welcome. Nice to see you. Welcome to the party. I love Metagross. I love Metagross. Did you, Toby? Did you claim the shiny Metagross when you got Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire? Did you claim the shiny Metagross? You had like a week, the first week of launch. It was so good. I love it. That's my favorite. My favorite shiny. All right, so. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. Justin Bieber. Oh, I want to go any higher. Alright, so we're done. No, my strategy is not RIP. What are you talking about? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That might kill me. But I need to be careful. I need to be careful. Or maybe, yeah, we had like a month or something. There's nothing I can do right now, huh? I mean, I could do this. Oh, no effect. Wow. Let's go. Whoa! GG, nice one. Come on, True. I wanna battle True one day. Alright. Here comes the ace in my sleeve. Go! Alright, here we go. No! Metagross is... Wow, what's going on? What's going on? Everybody avoided the attack except Charizard. No! No! Everybody avoided the attack. Kipper and Metagross and Mach. Man. That was epic. Okay, shut up. Shut up. I still got another one. I'm gonna save him for last, actually. I'm gonna save my ace for last. I have another ace. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. I hope it works. I hope it works. Please work. As if I tried. Wow. Wow. What? Alright, GG. Wow, that Metagross is strong, huh? Wow. I've only battled once. I was... okay. And my cheating ass friend. Oh, come on. Alright, so... last Pokemon. Everything relies on this Pokemon. Ouch! Those stones. Alright. Oh, you're in for a surprise, Toby! Here it comes! Here it comes! Okay! Alright, obviously. Oh man! Man! You see, that's the strategy. That was my strategy. Oh man, you gave me a hard time, huh? Wow. Well done. Well done. You almost trashed me, huh? You almost trashed me. And I'm not familiar with no. I'm not familiar with EV training and all that, so I don't train my Pokemon like they do sometimes hardcore with the EV. I don't even know what that means when they say the EV train their Pokemon. I'm not into all that. So yeah. Okay, Beaver, you're next. Did I add you already? I did add you, yes. So... She keeps saying a hacked Dragonair. No, it's just shiny. That's it. That's it, shiny. Good, well done. Okay, one last battle with Beaver, and I'm gonna call it. It's getting late. Let's go. I'm still online, yes? So, I'm assuming that's you, Ethan, is that right? Justin, not today though. Not today. I would love to battle you, but not today. If you would like to battle me, I will be doing these because I'm really enjoying these. This is my first time like dedicating a stream just for battling. It was supposed to be a shiny giveaway anyway, but I got banned. But I'm gonna be doing more of these. I mean, subscribe, that's all I can say. I don't like asking for subscribes. But subscribe so you know when I'm doing them and you can actually come and can have a... That's me, alright, that's you. Alright, Ethan. Good. Here we go. So, yeah. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed if you want to battle me next time, because I'm enjoying these, actually. I'm enjoying these. And I have that other team that Toby trashed, alright? That's still in development. When I fully train that team, it's gonna kick some butt. Not to mention the team that I'm raising from scratch, from red. I'm training a team from red. I'm gonna move it to silver, and then I'm gonna move it to Hoenn, and then I'm gonna move it to Alola. Okay. Let the battle begin! You have the wrong Pokemon. Oops. You wanna take a second? You wanna switch them real quick? But don't be long though. I'm gonna have a sip of water in the meantime. Yeah, change the team. Don't be long though. Because it's 2 AM here. I'm still connected to the internet, yes? Am I? Okay, ready to go? Ready to go? Here we go. Last Pokemon battle of the evening. And now 8 hours. In about 8 hours, I'm gonna come back online again with another stream, and I'm gonna be giving those shiny Hoenn starters. Okay. I'm sorry for disappointing, but it happens. Come on, Beaver, you need to defeat me. Because V4 is disappointed. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm ready. Here we go. Do it for Kipper. What's your Gyarados called? Red. I forgot what it's called. I like your red. There we go. What? 2 Pokemon? What? What the heck, man, dude? Seriously? I guess this is your end then. Wow, that shiny. Wow. I like it. Kill him! If you wanna start over, go ahead. But dude, hurry up. I'm tired. You have to switch off the game or something now, because you can't really quit. Is he standing on top of his Is he standing on top of his Snorlax? Oh yeah, okay. Look at that! It's like he's standing on his belly. Is he really doing that? Very interesting. I don't know. I like that. I'm pretty sure you're gonna buy the new... Yeah! Yeah, that's very soon, true, actually. That's very soon. Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon is coming out in November. Is it November? Yeah, November. So basically, this is my strategy. I'm playing Pokemon Red right now. I'm raising... Still continuing the attack, even though it got interrupted. Okay. So yeah, that's my strategy. I'm playing Pokemon Red right now. It's okay, Beaver, it's okay. Yeah, Lycanroc or whatever it's called. It's really cool, yeah. I like that. So anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, my strategy is I'm playing Pokemon Red with a team, choosing my dream team from Pokemon Red, and then Pokemon Silver and Gold is coming out next month on the eShop. I'll get that game and I can move over the Pokemon from Pokemon Red to Pokemon Silver, raise my dream team from Pokemon Silver and move that team, all of them, to Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Really? Did you, Toby? Wow. Yeah, he came to the battle with 2 Pokemon. I was ready with 6 and he came with 2. He's like, oh, sorry, I forgot my other Pokemon at home. And I'm like, okay, fine, go get them. And I'm waiting for him now, you see? You see? You see? And again, Beaver, now that you have to quit, you have to choose the same, you have to start with the same 2 again, huh? The same 2 Pokemon. Ethan is inviting you, alright. I'm setting it up real quick. Let's get this going. Toby, I want one, but the thing is, you got spares, it's amazing. I want one, but the thing is, I'm gonna be getting mine next month from Pokemon. I'm gonna get the one from Lake of Rage. So yeah, I'll be getting mine very soon from Lake of Rage. And it will be like the shiny Gyarados, you know what I mean? The ultimate one. Alright, let's go. I'm in, ready to go. And I can't wait to transfer the shiny Gyarados from Pokemon Silver to these latest gen, you know, because they look so good. Alright, here we go. There's no mercy now. This is for V4. I mean, for V4. For her face. Yeah, I would love to fight you, V4. Get to DS, come on. Big Red, it's called. Yes, Big Red. I love your Big Red. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Here we go. True. Okay, that's a good move. I like that. Get ready to rumble! I think he's standing on his belly. Yeah. That's cool. I love that. Bad fight. V4. Giggity. Go Snorlax! Up high! Down low! I love the attack is called Pulverizing Pancake. Alright. Muck. Alright, here we go. Oh, crap. I don't like this. No! No! It's too soon! Oh, wow! Oh, come on, seriously? Seriously? Oh man, that's 3 minimizes and he didn't miss once. Ah man. Crap. Beaver is good, huh? Here we go. Oh, nice. It's a beautiful Serperior as well. Okay, fair enough. Come on. Come on, don't disappoint me. Come on, please. No. Wow, strong. I think you EV trained them or whatever that is. Holy crap, man. That does it. That's it. Now I'm angry. Now I'm angry. I'm gonna start using my tough Pokemon. Very strong, eh? Very strong team. Holy crap, man, these moves, man. Come on, man, they're too strong, they're too powerful. What the heck? Oh, really? Oh, come on, man. I'm not... I got no words. Let's try again. Come on, this should work. Holy crap, man. But it failed. He used rest. Ah, that's a nice name for an Alolan Ninetales. Elsa, I like that. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. And of course. No, I think your team is hacked. I think your team is hacked. They're way too strong. It's impossible. Show the camera, please. Cheer. GG. I think your Pokemon. I don't know. Feels like your Pokemon are tampered with. I can easily do that if I wanted, but I don't. Man, GG. GG, lol, it's not hacked. Okay, if you say so. If you say so. No. I'm not gonna be a sore loser. But they're incredibly strong. Like one attack and it drains all my health. Like what, man? Dude. Anyway. Oh, dude, that was awesome. Vloggy wins in our hearts. It's true. I may have lost. No, it's okay. It's okay, Beaver. It's okay, Beaver. Yeah, I may have lost the battle, but I won your heart. Alright, I'm gonna go. I will be back again in about 8 hours. 8.5 hours. And I'm gonna be attempting the shiny giveaway one more time. Alright, so if you want one, make sure you are subscribed. And I will see you later. I'm gonna go sleep, wake up, and continue where I left off. Take care, guys. Bye. Ciao. Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time.